In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a one-by-one picture in Canva. The process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you achieve the perfect one-by-one photo for whatever your needs may be. Whether it's for a profile picture, a product image, or any other purpose that requires a square photo, Canva makes it easy. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to your Canva dashboard. You must be logged into your account to access the design tools we need. Once you're in, you'll see the main page of Canva with various options to start creating designs. Next, look for the button that says Customize Size on the main page. It's usually located towards the top where you find other templates and design options. Clicking on this will allow you to create a design with specific dimensions tailored to your needs. After clicking on Customize Size, you'll find an option under Create a Design labeled Custom Size. This is where we will be specifying the dimensions for our one-by-one picture. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter the parameters for the width and height of your design. Now it's time to input your dimensions. Set the width to 1 and the height to 1. It's important to ensure that the units are set to inches. This will guarantee that your design is truly one-by-one and not accidentally converted to another measurement system. Once you've entered the correct size parameters, go ahead and click on Create New Design. This button is right next to where you entered the width and height. By doing this, Canva will open a new design workspace specifically sized to your chosen dimensions. In this new design space, click on the Uploads tab. This is located on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you can upload the photo you wish to resize to fit into your new one-by-one canvas. Simply follow the prompts to upload your image from your computer. After uploading, drag the image to fit within the borders of your canvas. Since we're working with a one dimension, which is a perfect square, you might need to adjust the positioning of your photo to ensure the most important parts are centered and visible. Finally, once everything looks good, it's time to save your work. You can do this by clicking Share, located at the top right corner of the screen. From there, choose Download to save your new one-by-one image to your device. Make sure to select the format you prefer, such as PNG or JPEG, depending on your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully created a one-by-one picture in Canva. With these steps, you can now easily customize and resize images for all your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.